Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert data from an image to an Excel file. This is a super handy trick because typing it all would take time and there's chances of making mistakes. So let's get started. First, go to the data tab in Excel, then select get data from other sources. From picture, select this picture from file. Now find the image from the system, select it and click OK. Excel will scan the image and try to pull out the data. You will see the insert data button. Click that to add the data to your sheet. Now Excel might flag a couple of items that need review. So later on, fix them, then press insert anyway. Finally, let's adjust the alignment a bit. Our data is ready. I hope you found this quick trick useful. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more tips like this, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notifications. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.